here's a little add-on for you. So we did the little unboxing review, and this is just an example. Of course, we did a lot of RTVing, so don't mind the RTV spots on there. You can keep it clean if you want to. The installation was good. I want to say it was a 5mm Allen that we used. This particular G&R came with O-rings. We also RTV'd the O-rings behind the bolt heads here. The construction on it was pretty good. The only other thing that we did is on the back side of it, where the bolt holes go through for the breather housing. There are those 4 holes that are made for that guy right there that go into that. They're not blind holes, they go all the way through. It's probably not a big problem. We just put some RTV on the back side of those just to keep it from trying to push any oil through those. And we also RTV'd the head of those 4 bolts that are holding on the breather box. Probably way overkill. We RTV'd the channel before we laid the seal down, and we RTV'd over the top of it. And we did all of that because we do not want to be back in here if we can help it. All right, hopefully that gives you an idea of what it looks like installed.